Good morning, primary boy. Welcome back to math session with me, Miss Tere, as always. Now our lesson will be about fractions word problems. Do you have any question with word problems? If you have any question, like you have any question with the previous questions in the previous meetings, you may ask me through the math model, or you may leave your questions in the comment section. Now, these questions is not in your book. I have gained it from another book. Okay, but it's okay. Billy is 1/4 of Elizabeth's age now. It means that Billy is 1/4 of Elizabeth's age. So which one is older, Billy or Elizabeth? Elizabeth, of course. And Billy is younger than Elizabeth. In 14 years time, it means that in 14 years later, Elizabeth will be 46 years old. How old will Billy be then? So, the question will ask you, how old will Billy in 14 years later? To find out that answer, we must find how old is Billy now. How can we find how old is Billy now? By finding out Elizabeth's age. Do you know how old is Elizabeth now? You do not know, but we know that in 14 years later, Elizabeth will be 46. It means that Elizabeth's age in present or now is 46 minus 14 equals 32. So, Elizabeth now is 32. We know that Elizabeth is 32. Can we find Billy? Yes. How to find Billy? 1/4 of Elizabeth. 1/4 times Elizabeth. So, 1/4 times 32 equals 8. Is that the final answer? No. The final answer is the 14 years later. So what we gotta do? Billy age in 14 years later is 8 plus 14 equals 22. So that's it. Any question? No? It's kind of easy, yeah? So Billy will be 22 years old in 14 years later. City's house is 2/5 kilometer away from her school. 2/5 kilometer. If she walks the distance twice, means 2 times. Daily, what distance will she walk in 5 days? It means City will walk twice. City will walk 2 times in 1 day. It means 2/5 times 2. But that is for 1 day. The question will ask you in 5 days. So what else? Times 5. Get it? Twice a day and 5 days. So what we gonna know? Can we simplify it? Yes. So that 5 will be that 5 equals 1. So now what we have? 2 times 2 times 1 per 1 equals 4. So City will walk 4 kilometers in 5 days. Kind of easy, yeah? This is the distance. This is the twice. I mean, like how many times City walk and how many days. So distance times walking in 1 day and times the how many days. Annie saved $66 more than Julia. Annie saved 66 more than Julia. So who saved more, Annie or Julia? Annie, that's right. 3/4 of Julia's savings. 3/4, not all, not whole, not 4/4, but only 3/4 of Julia's saving is the same as half of Annie saving. Artinya tabungan Julia, 3/4 tabungan Julia sama dengan setengah tabungan Annie. How much did each of them save? Nah, this one needs model. So Julia, we know that Julia has how many box? 4 because of this. And how many Julia saving is same as half of Annie? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Get it? So 3/4 of this Julia is same as half of Annie. Understand? 3/4 ini sama dengan setengah ini. After that, we know that Annie saved 66 more than Julia. It means that this one, right? Nah, that is 66. Can we find it? Look at here. So the question will ask you how much did each of them save? Don't forget, each of them artinya Julia berapa, Annie berapa. Their amount of saving will not be same, but will be different. And now look at here. We have 2 units. 2 units equals 66. So 1 unit equals $33. How? 66 divided by 2 equals 33. So we know that 1 unit equals $33. How about Julia? How about all? So Julia has how many boxes or how many units? 4 boxes, 4 units. So 4 times 33 equals 132. How about Annie? Annie has how many boxes? Look at. If half of it is 3 boxes, so for whole means 3 times 2. So Annie will have 6 units. So 6 times 33 equals 198. So Julia saved 132 and Annie saved 198. Is it easy? If it's not easy or if you have any questions about it, you may ask me through DM at Moodle or you may leave your questions in the comment section. That's all for today, Primary 5. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Mrs. Ng bought 66 kg of flour. She used 48 kg of it to make bread and 2/3 of the remainder to make cakes. Pertamanya ada 66, dipakai 48, lalu 2/3 dari sisanya of the remainder to make cakes. How much flour had she left? So please do it by yourself and it will be discussed on the next meeting. Not on the next Zoom meeting, but on the next meeting. Don't forget your quiz will be next week, Monday 31 August during Zoom. So that's all for today, Primary 5. Only multiplications of fraction and word problems of fraction, yeah? That's all. Thank you and goodbye.